One biggest immigrants confusion that AIMA announced that 100,000 plus 8,000 immigrants whose files are cancelled or rejected. They will be given second chance on 18th of December, AIMA announced. And that was a great and biggest news. Now why migrants are confused? The confusion is that how they will know that their files are rejected, how they will know their files are cancelled, and how they can contact AIMA that give us second chance and we want to appear before biometric, mean that we want to give biometric to get the resident card. As AIMA clearly told that we will give these people second chance to justify themselves, and then we will analyze, then we will assess, and mostly they will give second chance to those people who are genuine and who were actually files were rejected by mistake. I will analyze by two factors. First of all, I will clarify that how you will know that your files are cancelled. This is a very significant question because you did not have any biometric, you did not do biometric. As I told already, the people who gave biometric to the AIMA, they will get resident card or they will get the falta. There are two options. Their files cannot be cancelled. Files are cancelled only when you are not eligible for biometric, mean that AIMA think that you have done mistake and you are not eligible for biometric appointment, and you will not be called for biometric appointment, you will not be given biometric date, and your payment schedule will not be given to you, and you will not be able to pay the fee to the AIMA. How you will know that your file is rejected? Because you will be waiting. You will be waiting. Two questions. How you will know that your file is cancelled? Second, if you know the file is cancelled, how you will get a second chance? What is the procedure? What is the methodology? AIMA gave any pilot plan that how you must contact AIMA to get second chance. So first problem, how you will know that your file is cancelled. First of all, before giving these reasons, I would like to say one thing. Why AIMA gave second chance? This is a question. When I analyzed, in my opinion, when AIMA analyzed, these are huge numbers. These are not minor numbers. These are huge numbers. 100,000. Almost more than 100,000 plus 8,000, mean that 108,000 numbers. These are huge numbers. Almost a third, fourth part of the backlog of applications were rejected, or 1/4 part of the AIMA applications were rejected. So these are huge numbers. Now AIMA thinking that these people all are non-genuine, all are outside the country. It will never happen that huge numbers, 50,000, 40,000, 30,000, that is acceptable. But more than 100,000, it clearly mentioning might be some people, immigrants are genuine, their taxes are genuine, their experience, job experience is genuine, they are staying in Portugal and they did mistake. And what mistake they did? I recorded one clip last days in which I told, when you will get payment link, you must pay instantly. Some people are much saving euros, that we will pay 98 euros, and what will happen, 98 euros are too much for them, I don't know, this is price of passport. This is the price of resident card. You are spoiling your life. You are living for 2 years, 3 years for passport. Other European countries are giving very good packages. In Portugal, 920 or 860 euros per month some people are getting, which is very less package. So you are just sacrificing your facilities, your money to get the resident card. And they were asking, sir, we don't want to pay instantly. How much time we will have for the payment? I answered, I told that you have to pay instantly. You will not wait. Because when you will not pay, AIMA system will recognize you are currently not present in Portugal and you are left Portugal, and they will say you are not interested in biometric, you are not interested in getting resident card, and AIMA will decide on himself on one side, in their own side, okay, we are refusing your file, we are rejecting your files. Still you did not know, but AIMA did that internally. That's the question. How you will know that I will tell later on, but I am telling why AIMA giving second chance. AIMA knew this thing, that they did not give deadline of the payment. And AIMA also did know that some people by mistake they were waiting and they did not paid for biometric fee, they did not pay, and we cancelled their files. AIMA also knew some people are very disheartened. They were waiting long time and they left country. Now they also knew, AIMA also knew this thing, that some people might be a genuine people, but they are not responding. Their email system might be error, might be they are not checking their emails, might be they have less information about biometric appointment, might be they are not aware of the new methodology of the AIMA system. Therefore, we cancelled their files because they did not respond us. Remember, they are not missed document people because they did not give biometric. The people who give biometric and they miss documents, those are something else. That I told you, they will say you submit this missing document for the processing of the resident card. Otherwise, they will send you falta. These are the people who are not responding to the AIMA. They had approached individuals by any way, by email, by portal, but they did not reply. They did not pay up the biometric fee. And that was one of the reasons that AIMA cancelled their files. So AIMA, I think, thought that it's real little bit injustice to those immigrants. Might be they were not aware of a genuine procedure of new AIMA Lipson Center and they gave second chance. Now I will tell you what is the actual story. AIMA made a list in which 100,000 plus 8,000 immigrants names are written with reasons, that what is the reason we are rejecting your file. These lists are present in AIMA office now. What AIMA is currently doing, AIMA is sending those letters to immigrants at the earliest. So in some days, some people will also report us that, sir, we received a file cancellation letter. You was talking about, sir, how we will know that our file is cancelled. You will receive a letter from AIMA at your official address and might be on email as well. And if you will not receive letter, if you will not receive email, it means your case is under process, your file is not cancelled, and you are very eligible for biometric appointment. Are you getting me? The next point, that if your case is rejected, and in that letter, in last paragraph, it will be written that you are given second chance. What is the second chance? First of all, they will mention the reason, that these are the reasons we are cancelling your file. These are the reasons. You was not present in Portugal, your name was in SIS, you did not paid link, we sent paid link, but you did not pay biometric fee. We were waiting your reply, you did not upload documents. You did pay, but you did not upload documents. You did pay, you did upload documents, but you did not reschedule your appointment. We send appointment email, but you did not select the date at which, because a lot of problems immigrants facing as a software errors were also there. They might not getting reply from AIMA, they might not getting, AIMA maybe thinking they sent a scheduled email, but immigrant may not receive, and AIMA says he is not interested, we cancel. So these reasons which I am getting information are minor reason, most of the minor reasons. And almost 50,000 out of these 100,000 plus 8,000 immigrants, almost 50,000 immigrants will be eligible once again for biometric. So I clarified that how you will get information your file is rejected, and how you will go for second chance to get the resident card. Thank you very much.